2001 Ford Expedition here. Babies now. But we got an Alpine head unit. Unknown amount of miles. It shouldn't be that many miles on it, judging by the condition of it. Beautiful center console. Got some Skar audio. I think those are 6.5s. More Skars in the door. Skar tweeters. It's got an alarm system on it. We got Skar 6x9s. It might be 5x7s. And we got more Skar down here. Looks like a 5 1/4. And maybe a Pro Audio brand. That's a nice one. That's actually very nice, very nice. And then of course, I believe there's Skars in the door. And then up top, we got 4 Skar tweeters. And this thing is real nice. This be my friend Big Bean's truck. And it is for sale, just to let you guys know. We got 2 Ascendant Audio SMD. I want to say these are 18s, judging by the size of them. Yep. You got a Autotek Mean Machine and some more Skar Audio RP. It's RP 150x4. Let's see. On this side, I believe there's another amp. Another RP 150x4. Got a nice amp rack back here. You got 4 of these, they're Alpha Max batteries. 195 XTV is the model. Lots of 1-aught welding cable. Of course, fuses. Very nice amp rack. Silver tin OFC wire. So really no expenses spared. Real nice beauty panel. Everything flips down. This part flips down. This part flips up so you can access your batteries. Yeah. So, oh yeah. Red LEDs on both sides, lights up. Very nice build. Wish I definitely could have heard it. And besides all this goodness, y'all let me know if anyone is interested in, you know, buying the setup, or she might be willing to part with some things. If you guys are interested in any of the speakers, or you know, any of the, you know, like just trying to help out as much as I can. So I mean, I'm not saying, yeah, this had to happen. Oh, yeah, you want a 6.5 one? No problem. No, what I can do is run it past her. And, you know, as long as the offer is, you know, within a great reason, you know, we're not out here to hurt no one. We out here to help people. So let's keep the numbers right if anybody's interested. No low balling, man. This lady, she has family she's trying to take care of. And just trying to get as much back as she can from what the family put into it. Now, mind you, a lot of this stuff is pretty much brand new. So just keep that in mind as well. All right, y'all. Peace and blessings.